Hi guys. First off, I really miss you guys. I'm bored and yeah, I just miss being in class with you guys every day. Um, so today we are continuing and getting started on our genocide lecture. Obviously, not the most opportune time to be teaching genocide and learning genocide, but um, it's important nonetheless. I have cut down on the amount of required work, but I do want to make sure that the amount of information that I provide stays the same. So try not to get overwhelmed if I'm asking you to watch a lot of these videos, because I'm really just wanting you to listen to the information and take in what you can and ask questions where you need to ask questions or make statements where you need to make statements. This is really not an ideal unit to teach over the computer. It's not super comfortable for me, but I'm doing the best that I can, and I know you guys are as well. First off, well, not first off, but welcome to my little office in my apartment. Um, this is where you will be seeing most of me. So today, what I would like you to do, there are 3 videos on the page for today. There is an intro just on genocide in general. That one's about 10 minutes. It's not super uplifting, but then again, none of this is. Then there is part 2, which is stages 1 and 2 of genocide, and then part 3, which is stages 3 and 4 of genocide. You don't need to take notes. These are going to be up the entire unit. So if you forget something or you want to revisit something, you can always go back. I'm breaking them up into smaller video chunks so that you don't have to do it all at once. And it's easier for you to go back to specific points. So that is what you're going to do. And then there's also a link to a Google form that I would like you to fill out. You're required to have at least one question generated from the information that you listened to today. But if you have more, please submit more than one. I may not answer all of the questions individually, but it gives me a sense of kind of where you guys are at with the information. And if I'm getting the same question over and over and over again, then I will address it to you guys as a whole. And if it's a more specific, I might do a face-to-face, not face-to-face. I might do a specific email. And then some of you are already getting emails from me about your rough drafts. I'm trying to get through about 10 of them a day. So hopefully within the next week and a half, 2 weeks, you guys will all have your rough drafts back. When you get that email, it's going to say, I've assessed your rough draft. You can go in. Your new due date is, and then it'll be a week from when I send that email. I'm working on continuing to continuing to update PowerSchool, but be patient because I'm also having to do all of the screencasting. So there's a lot of time that goes into this. Again, I miss you guys, and I hope all of you are doing well. Please stop by my office hours and say hi, because none of you have this week, and it's making me sad and lonely. Have a great day, and I guess I'll see you next week.